Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Alyssa, and today I just really wanted to make a video because I got a new planner from Cloth & Paper. I've always really been into like physical planners. You can see that this is my old one and they're usually really filled out. I got this one late, so August is not filled out. So I was excited once my future sister-in-law told me about Cloth & Paper because they have really cute stationery items. If you have one cover and a leather cover on top, you can always just change out the pages. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna set up my new planner, and it is a build your own planner from top to bottom. You can completely customize it however you'd like. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the plastic cover that I'm gonna use for right now because I have another leather cover coming later, and this is gonna be the top of my planner and this is gonna be the back of it. So the first thing we're gonna do is put on these discs. It came a little damaged, but it's okay. We're gonna work with it. And I really wanted the frosted looking ones, but they only had black available at the time, the black or the gold. So I want the black just because I thought it'd be more aesthetic. And yeah, we're gonna put these on. So I really wanted the frosted ones initially, as I said, but the more I thought about the black ones, I thought they really did look nicer and just cleaner. And you can see that they are this, like, you can hear it's like metal. So we're gonna put these in, and I heard this part's kind of difficult, but I'm just gonna force it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And then you'll notice that I only have 8 of them, and this is also the 1.5 size. So they also have a 1.25. That just means that the circumference is smaller. So you'll basically just not be able to have more pages. These will hold more pages, which is exactly what I wanted because I plan to include a lot of pages. So now we're gonna put the last cover page, or the bottom. I also forgot to mention that this is the half letter size. It does have like a plastic covering. I'm gonna remove that last though, or maybe remove it once I get my leather cover. Now that we have the cover set up, we're gonna go ahead and add these dividers. This is the monthly dividers. I can go ahead and link everything that I got below the video, so you guys can see exactly everything I ordered. You can also tell that these are also like a frosted, which I do like because it's not gonna be so visible if it's scratched, or it won't really get scratched as if it was just regular clear divider.
Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again, but I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time.
Okay, so now that we have our covers and our dividers set up, we're gonna go ahead and add the dated daily pages. I don't remember exactly what this comes with, but I know it comes with cute little pictures for each month. And it also comes with passwords, like password pages, so you can remember your passwords, and contacts. So let's go ahead and flip through a couple. So we have our cover page, and then we have our whole year at a glance, holidays and observations, and then this is going to be the picture that goes right after the January divider. So you can see it's going to repeat like this, and then we'll go ahead and look at the pages for each day, but I'm just going to go ahead and set up these first few pages. This is going to go before the January divider. Go ahead and put these in, and these are way easier to insert than the dividers and the covers. Now we can go to the January divider and then add this first page. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what some days in January will look like. So you have the days of the week, and it is dated, but you can get an undated option from the site. So tasks, agenda, and memo. So these are the last pages of January, and then you see that we're transitioning to February. And then this is gonna be that February 1st page. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this out another way so I can see. And then these are all my January pages. Okay, you guys, so I just inserted all of the pages and it looks really nice. Nice and full. Yeah, the last page you're gonna take out. Here's where we have our contact list, notes, passwords. So I think what I'll do with these back pages is I'll set flags for now, which I have and I'll show you guys in a bit. Let's look at the cover. And here is our planner. It's a little thick and the top isn't closing completely, but this is what we have. I'm actually gonna take out this page as well. So I'm not gonna write in this just yet, but I will show you guys just some products that I did get recently and some of them I've had. So I do have these pens I got on Amazon and I can attach the link below. And they're just neutral colors. They come in 2 different sizes for each color and I really like that. And I can do a pen test too when I start writing in my planner. I also got these really cute neutral colored highlighters from Amazon and I like how it's just gonna be easier to stack and put away. I've had these also for a while. These are also from Amazon and these are just more neutral colored tabs that I can put in my planner. I don't have a lot of products right now because this is just me starting out, but since I will be using this contact list for my 2 new professors this semester, I'm gonna go ahead and put some flags. So I'm gonna use this bigger square one. And these are also supposed to be transparent. And I also ruined my nails today because I had to do some chores around the house, so please ignore that. But yeah, let's just put a square flag on the contacts page. And then we're gonna put a little one for the password since it's only 1 page. And Chandler was telling me about some hole punchers that are like this, so I might go look for one of those as well. If you guys didn't know too, my mom's really into making homemade cards and she makes really cute designs and stuff. So she has like a Cricut machine and all these pretty papers and everything. I'm definitely gonna use some of her things for this planner. These are also transparent. They have more colors online on Cloth and Paper, but you can also try to find these sorts of things on Amazon. It'll be cheaper. And they're not as expensive on Cloth and Paper really, but I think with the shipping, it does cost a little bit more. I did want to talk about more of like a review part now because it came a little damaged. The site it doesn't make you pay, but you have the option to pay for route tracking, and that basically covers the package, like package protection, and then you can track your package, even though I was able to track this without purchasing that for this particular order. But I did, however, purchase the route tracking for my next package, and that was like $3, I think. So I don't really love that because I just don't feel like, I don't know, I've never heard of them charging you for that. So I asked them as well, like what happens if I didn't buy that, because I didn't know what it was at first. What would happen if my package got stolen or really damaged, and I just don't know how they'll handle that. I did ask and they avoided that that question. So yeah, we'll see what happens in the future. And it did take a while to ship, but that's understandable. It was during the holidays and I'm not sure how big this company is. It took about 2 weeks for it to ship. Again, it's fair and there were a lot of things that came with this package. So yeah.